Welcome to the Seventh Art Attack. Today we're doing Valentine's gifts.
Yeah, so Devansh is in kindergarten and Simran goes to preschool. And they have Valentine's party at their class. So they want to make some nice Valentine's gifts for their friends. So here are a couple of quick ideas. First thing that we're going to show today is these. These are a bunch of flowers, tissue flowers, but they're actually made of pencils. Pencils stick like these.
Yeah, like this.
So what we do is we are going to use this pencil and quickly prop up the pencil with a tissue flower right on top, securing it with some hot glue gun and pipe cleaners. So this is how it's going to be, and this is a gift which Devansh wants to give to his kindergarten friends with some other gifts. And the other thing I have here in display is this "You Color My World Happy Valentine's Day" card. This is from Simran to her friends, and the heart here is actually crayons. So we have gone ahead and melted a couple of quick heart crayons using a heart mold. I will share the description and a link separately of how to make this in the description box below. We have a few of these cards where we are putting tattoos and stickers for friends. This is again for Simran's friends. So these are the store-bought gifts that you can give to each of your friends. There are different kinds that you can find in the store. It comes with a label tag, so you don't have to do it. The other idea we have is with glow sticks.
Yes, glow sticks.
So they are the glow stick bracelets, which you can give to your friends with a card printout like this. And there are various templates that you can find like these, which you can just print out and customize to your friends. One suggestion is don't write individual friend name, just tag it as my friend and your name. So when you are distributing, you need not search for names and gift. These are some of the ideas. I will have the PDFs or the printouts links in the link of my description below, where you can just download and go ahead. Pencil flowers with a card just like this. So Devansh is now going to try how to make it. Let's begin. To make these flowers, the flower pencils, you would need a pencil, a pipe cleaner, and 4 of tissue paper sheets, which are of dimension 10 inches by 5 inches.
Yeah, please.
And you need to fold it as a fan. So let's get started. Devansh, can you join? Make sure the edges are straight. Make sure the edges are joined. And start rolling it into a fan. Wait with all. So make a crease like this and then turn it around and fold it back on the same crease, just like this.
Fold it back.
And go back and forth to make a flower.
Like this. Just like these.
So make this until you finish it completely, and you have a fan sort of thing folded with the tissue sheet. After that, fold it into half to identify the center of the circle. Take your half or quarter of this tissue sheet and secure it in the center turn it around. So you have something like this, a butterfly. And in order to get a flower shape, the edges need to be trimmed as a circle. So I'll just draw it for display. So this is how we're going to cut it. Semicircle shape right here.
Yeah,
And
still
the
working
other
on
side
it.
as well. Be careful with the scissors as it's sharp. Please just open the prevent with this.
Still separate.
So just like this.
And she's my mother right there.
So we have both the edges cut. And now this is ready to shape into a flower. Just help Devansh here. We'll wait for Devansh to finish and then continue.
Okay.
So once you have this type of a thing ready, right here, so what we have to do next is make sure the pipe cleaner is down, hold it like this, open the flower up and find one sheet at a time and pull it upwards, just like this. Pull one sheet upwards, just like this. So you can do this side.
So is this mine?
Yeah. First open the fan up and take out one sheet at a time.
No. One sheet.
Be careful not to pull too hard. Remember, these are tissue sheets. They will tear very easily. Be gentle and pull one sheet at a time upwards. And keep doing it for the other sheets by circling it around. I should just talk about that. And then the other side. Because we have used 4 sheets, you will get around 8 of these petals. So this would be your first step. Once it's done, your pipe cleaner is still here and you're going to use these 2 parts. The 2 parts right here, we are going to use it to twist it at the back of a pencil. So just place it here and twist it around. Just like this. Secure it. And in order to make sure that this doesn't fall off, for the other pencils that I've just created, I've used a little bit of hot glue at the tip of the pencil top and this pipe cleaners.
Yep.
You could do that, or else if you have a duct tape or any tape which you think will stick on the pencil, you can just roll it around here.
So we have tape, so we'll just use tape.
And the last part is the tag. So there are these printouts which I earlier talked of, which you can have it written down your kid's name here, and you can just stick this at the pencil that you've created like this by using any type of glue. And once that's done, this will be your personalized pencil that you can just hand out to your friends. So we're planning to make a bunch of this which you can hand out to his friends along with these other gifts that he's bought from the store. So that was it. I hope you liked our video. If you do like, please don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe for more such fun crafts.
So,
Thank you.
yeah,
Bye-bye.
well then we'll be doing it.
And happy Valentine's Day.
Yes. Thanks for watching Art Attack. Please subscribe.